Good morning, children. This is Venugopal sir for Little Hearts Publications with the Social Studies Book 1, Lesson 4, We Help Our Parents. In the previous lesson, children, we talked about parents' love and how parents love and care for us, in what different ways they love and they help us. Now, in what way we help our parents? That's what we are going to discuss in this lesson. Before we go into the details of the lesson, let us look at these questions. How do you help your parents? Children, one question for you. Do you help your parents at home? How? In what way? How means in what way or what ways you help your parents at home? Because parents do a lot of things for us. They buy food for us, they buy clothes for us, they send us to school, they help us with our homework, they take care of us when we are sick or ill. In these different ways, parents look after us, parents help us. So it is our duty to help the parents also. Isn't it, children? Should we not help the parents? Should we help them or not? Yes, we should help them. And how we help our parents? That's what we are going to discuss in this. What different things do you do to help your parents? You know, children, you keep the things at proper places at home. And you keep your books in a bag and keep them in your shelf. In the same way, you keep your clothes in a proper place, your shoes or chappal outside the house in a proper place. And when your mother is busy, father is busy with some other work, you go and bring something from nearby market, like milk packets or any other urgent thing. In the same way, when there is a garden, when your parents are busy, when there is no gardener, you water the plants there in the garden. In that way also you help your parents. And sometimes you may have to help your parents or mother in the kitchen also by doing small helps like cutting vegetables or bringing water. In whatever way you help your mother there in the kitchen, you can do it. So you can help your father in watering the plants, in cleaning the bikes or cars, in these different ways, or in going out and bringing something from the market. Because parents take a lot of care about us, they do many things for us, they buy many things for us. We should respect and obey our parents. We should not talk back to our parents. Why should we obey and respect our parents? Because they do all things for us. If we do not respect them, it is not correct. You will not be forgiven even by the God. We should respect the words of the parents. We should obey. We should follow. Obey means follow. We should follow parents' instructions, parents' advice, parents' words. Okay, children, this is how we form an assessment about ourselves, in what different ways we help our parents. And that is the main part of discussion in this lesson. We help our parents in many ways. We do small jobs at home. We help the parents in keeping the house neat and clean. We dust the furniture, we water the plants in the garden. We means, who are we here, children? We means you only, children. In this lesson, we means children. We help our parents in many ways. In what different ways we help our parents? We do small jobs at home, like bringing water from the tap, or filling the water in the buckets, or sweeping or dusting the furniture. We help the parents in keeping the house neat and clean. First of all, cleanliness is next to godliness. So we should keep our house very neat and tidy, clean. Only mother and father cannot do all the things that are required to keep the house neat and tidy. So we should also help them in keeping the house neat, clean and tidy. Don't we, children? Shouldn't we? Yes, of course. We should help parents in keeping the house neat and clean. In what way we can help the parents in keeping the house neat and clean? By dusting the furniture. If there is a dust there on the furniture on which we sit, we take a cloth and just we dust them. Or we remove the dust, we try to remove the dust from the furniture by using a cloth or by using vacuum cleaner like that. We water the plants in the garden. And when of course parents are busy in their works, when there is nobody to water the plants in the garden, why should we water the plants in the garden? If we do not give water regularly to the plants, they will die. They will not grow properly. So we should water the plants in the garden regularly. And then we bring milk and vegetables from the market. If it is required, when parents are busy, we go to the market and bring milk packets and vegetables. And of course, when we come back from the school, we keep our books in proper places. We keep our school bag in a proper place. We leave the shoes out there in a proper place. So all the things and the books particularly we keep in proper places so that mother or father do not feel any problem in keeping the house neat and clean. In these ways we help our parents by doing our work by ourselves. We can do our work now. We can do many works on our own. So by doing all these works, we can help our parents. Okay, children? Don't forget this. You help your parents in whatever way it is possible. Like what are mentioned there, going to the market and bringing some things from there, dusting the furniture, keeping the things in proper places, and watering the plants in the garden. So, in what way we can make our parents happy? First thing is by helping them in different jobs, in small jobs, we can make our parents happy. And not only that, we should love them, we should respect them, we should obey them, we should help them. In these 4 different ways, we can make our parents feel happy about us. And every child should feel it a responsibility or a duty to make his or her parents happy always. We should love our parents. Do you love your parents or not, children? Yes, of course. Everybody loves his or her parents. We should help them in whatever way we can. And we should obey them. We should not talk back to them. We should not just disrespect them by not following the instructions given by them. In the same way, we should respect them. In these 4 different ways, we can make our parents happy. We can help the parents keep happy always. So, let us recollect what we have discussed in this lesson, children. With that, we come to the end of the lesson. But let us recollect the important points here. We help our parents by doing small jobs at home. We help the parents in keeping the house neat and clean. We dust the furniture and water the plants in the garden. We help our parents by doing our work all by ourselves. We should love and respect our parents to make them happy. Okay, children, let us go to the task for summative assessment. There are some questions under, let us discuss in A bit. After that, there are fill in the blanks, true or false, and match the following exercises. Okay, children, let us take up that activity now. How do we help our parents at home? You can write many things there. We help the parents in keeping the house neat and clean. We dust the furniture. We water the plants in the garden. We bring milk and vegetables from the market. we keep our books and other things in proper places. In these different ways, we help our parents. Okay, children, you can see the answers there in the lesson there directly. Question number 2, what things do you bring from the market? Generally, it is your question, your answer you have tried on your own. If you go to the market, what do you bring from the market for the house to help the parents? Sometimes we bring milk packets, sometimes we bring some kirana items, sometimes we go to the market to bring vegetables. Like this, in different things we bring from the market. Where do we keep our books and other things? Where do we keep our books and other things? In proper places. We should keep our books and other things in proper places. So fourth question is, you have tried in your own, in what ways do you help your parents? Not only the things that are mentioned in the lesson, you should write now how you help in your parents in different ways. And fifth question, how can we make our parents happy? We can make our parents happy by loving them, by helping them, by obeying them, and by respecting them. Like that we should write the answer. Okay, children? Now in the B bit, fill in the blanks are there. There are some words given in the box. Those words we have to fill in the blanks here in the 5 sentences. We dash the plants in the garden. First blanks, fill in the blanks. First one, we dash the plants in the garden. We water the plants in the garden. Okay, children? We should dash our parents. We should obey our parents. Like that we have tried the answers. We should keep our books in proper place. We should keep our house neat and clean. Fourth blank is neat and clean. Fifth blank, we dust the dash furniture. Aren't they easy, children? Once you read the lesson repeatedly, you can write these answers without much difficulty. Okay, C bit, write true or false. We should not help our parents at home. First one is false. We should help. So it is given we should not help. Second one, we dust the furniture. It is true. Third one, we can keep our books and other things at any place. False. In proper places only we have to keep them. Not every way that we like. We should not obey our parents. That is also false. We should obey our parents always. Fifth sentence, we should make our parents happy. So it is true. We should always make our parents happy. Okay, children, you understand the answers there? In the D bit, there is a match the following exercise. You have to, as shown in the textbook, page number 25, you have to draw a line there, appropriately matching the words under A with those under B. Number 1, keep the house neat and clean. You draw a line from there, neat and clean. From keep the house to neat and clean. Water the plants in the garden. That's what you have to draw the line between. Dust the furniture. Bring milk and vegetables from the market. So this is how we write the match the following exercise. Now there is an assignment for a formative assessment. You can look at that, children, in page number 26. Let us do. Make a list of the things that you or your brother or your sister does to help your father and mother. In what way you and your brother or your sister help your parents? Write those things in the boxes there. Next, in the fun time, let us talk. Talk to your class why you should help your parents at home. Okay, children. In the same way, in fun time, we have got A bit, make a list of the things that you do at home to help your parents. You just write 5 things that you do at your home to help your parents. In the B, there is a crossword puzzle given. There are pictures given there. You have to write the appropriate word for that. In the first one, beginning with F, it is furniture. Left side, first one, you can see vegetables. You have to make, and the third one, M, milk. Next, BOOKS, books. Next, garden. Like this, by looking at the pictures there, you have to write the words, letters in the boxes to make a complete word there. This is what is an exercise regarding the puzzle. With that, we come to the end of the lesson, children. The key for all these exercises will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Thank you.